Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see Amazon account connected to other device on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course I'm going to open my Amazon, and now if you want to see it or check it, you just have to go to your profile here at the bottom, and after just go ahead to your account here. I'm gonna tap on this option, which is account options. After, scroll it down until we found out the option which is content and devices options. Tap on it. And to check your account is connected to other device or not, just go ahead to this devices options at the top, and it will be look like this, I guess. On my Amazon account is only connected to one device, which is this phone here guys. You can see for the details here. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.